Hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 739, that is daily temperatures, and in this we'll be given an array of temperatures represent the daily temperatures, and we are given an array. We have to return an array answer. So that answer I is the number of days we have to wait after the ith day to get a warmer temperature, and if there is no future day for which that is possible, we have to keep answer I equal to 0. Okay, so let's look at the test cases. In the first case, we are given the temperature that is 73, 74, 75, 71, and so on. Okay, so the day after like 73, when the temperature was 73, we have to just wait for one day to get the warmer temperature. I hope that everyone knows that when the temperature increases, it gets warmer, and then after 74, we again just have to wait one day to get a warmer temperature, that is 75. But after 75, what we have to do, we have to wait for 4 days, that is 1, 2, 3, and on the fourth day we encountered the temperature to be 76. Okay, and after that for 71 we just have to wait for one day. Then for 69 we have to again wait for just one day. Then for 76 it is not possible to find a warmer day, and for 73 also it is not possible to find a warmer day. Okay, and then what we have to see that in the next test case again it's similar, that we have to just wait one day, and for 60 there is no possibility. Okay, so this can be done using of two for loops, but that complexity will be in scale. You can give it a try. I don't think so that it will get accepted, but it would be good coding practice if you do it. Or else what we can do is we can use a monotonic stack, and it is very similar to the question that is next greater element, and it's a very famous question. I would like everyone to try it. Okay, so let's start with declaring a stack. And okay, uh, stack of integer, let's call it stack, and that will be called new stack. And we also have to return an answer array, so let's have an answer array. Answer, that will be equal to new int. Okay, let's first just store this length in n is equal to temperatures dot length and of size n only. Okay, and then what we'll do, that we'll run a for loop, that for int I equal to n minus 1, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. Okay, so in this what we'll be doing is we'll be storing the indexes in the stack. Okay, so for example, like first when the 73 will be added to the stack, we'll be not be adding 73, we'll be adding the index, that is I guess 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, okay, sorry, 8. And then the condition will be while not stack is empty. So in the first iteration, obviously the stack will be empty, and it is the thing to notice that for the last test case, it will be always be for the last value, the answer will always be 0, because after that there's no valid range because the index goes out of bound. Okay, so now what we'll be checking, that for 76 we'll be keep popping off the elements from the stack till the time we don't find an element that is greater than 76. Okay, so this is how this code will work, and when we'll pop we'll find the 73. So for 76 also we don't have any possible answer, so that again we'll return 0, and we'll push this index of 76. Then for 72 what we'll be doing, we'll be keeping that while not stack is empty again, and we'll be checking that if while the 72 is greater than or equal to 76, and this is not possible, so again this will fail. So we just have to wait for one day, and then 72 will be pushed on top of stack. Then for the 69 test case, we'll be checking the top of the stack, and we'll finding that in just one day we can get the temperature higher than that. So we'll be pushing 69. Then for 71 also we'll be having to wait 2 days, because we'll be first pumping off 69, then we'll be remaining with just 72. Okay, and then for 75 this is how it will work, that it will pop up 71, 69 and 72, and with this index we'll be subtracting, and we'll be getting the index for that particular day. Okay, so that while not, I hope that code will make it more clear. Note, not stack is empty, and my temperatures I is greater than or equal to the peak, like the temperatures the top element basically. In this case, I'm just storing the indexes. Okay, stk.peak. I'll be keep popping off the elements stk.pop. Okay, and then I'll be checking that if not stack dot is empty. What I'll be doing is that answer I would be equal to my stack dot peak minus I, and that will give us basically the number of days, and we don't have to set the condition for when we'll be encountering 0, because initially all the values will be initialized to 0. Okay, so and then what we have to do, we have to simply push the current index to the stack. Okay, and at the end let's just return answer and let's run it. Okay, cannot find, I guess it's just a spelling mistake. Yeah, now let's run it. Yeah, and it works fine. Now let's submit it. And it works fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.